how to order online from Home Depot. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can buy some stuff here online from homedepot.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, I'm going to choose random object in order to continue with my process. Let's suppose I was this vacuum. So I'm going to add it to my cart. There you have other different options. You can check the price. You know that if you can pay less with the Home Depot customer card. As you can see here, there are some features of it. The attachment options, you can switch the options, but obviously all this option depends of the object you are buying now. And also the delivery, you can pick up your object yourself if this is going to be free, or you can receive it tomorrow free too. Okay, but now I'm going to choose this option and I'm going to add it to cart. If you want more quantity of this object, just change it if you want. Now I have added into my cart, and now you must go into your checkout. In order to continue with the process, you must sign in into your account. If you don't have an account, you just have to click on create an account. I'm going to show you that process. So this is going to be a personal account. I'm going to select it. You must give your personal email address and type your password. Let your phone. Also, you can check if you want to keep your account signed in this device, and also if you want to verify your mobile number through a text message. Okay, by now I'm just going to uncheck this option to create my account, and now you must choose your subscriptions. By now I just going to get this subscription, or you can skip for now and continue shipping. By now I'm going to skip this option. I don't want any subscription here in Home Depot by now. Once you have completed that creation of your account, you must fill all this data so you can receive your object, in this case your vacuum. So I'm going to fill it and then continue with the video. Once you have filled all your address, your direction, you must select the cost of your delivery. So tomorrow it's gonna cost, just free, but if you want to schedule your delivery, you must pay a little more. So by now I'm going to continue with the free option, and here in the payment method, there you have just two options: pay through PayPal, or just select the credit card and enter your credentials in order to finish your order. Here's the total. The total are $65 around, and that's how you can do it. Once you have complete all this, you just have to review your order and then click in the last button to buy here in homedepot.com. Thanks for watching.